Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to share your screen in Messenger app on a device. So let's get started. So first thing, you need to make sure that Messenger app is downloaded on a device. Then after that, you just need to open your app Messenger. And to share your screen while doing video call, it can be done when you just video call a person to someone. So I have just video called to Sanket Khanal, and after that, to share the screen, I just had to, here you can see the various options over here. From all of these, you just need to tap on the very middle option, which is this, and after tapping on this icon, here you can see the option share screen, which is highlighted in color blue. You just need to tap on the option start sharing and confirm with tapping on the option start broadcast. Tap on this option start broadcast, and then within 3 seconds, so within few seconds, you both will be sharing your screen with each other. Your screen will be shared with the particular person to whom you want to share with while video calling. And to stop sharing your screen, just again you need to tap on this middle options, tap on this, and here you can see the option stop sharing, which is highlighted in color red, and tap on the option stop sharing and confirm with tap on the option stop broadcast, and you will be stop sharing your screen with each other. So that's how you can just share your screen with each other. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.